What happens when two historic rivals, India and China, face a new economic crossroads? Imagine a world where instead of conflict, they unlock a partnership powerful enough to reshape global trade. But can India really trust the dragon? Let's dive in. Not long ago, Indian and Chinese troops clashed at their disputed border, tensions high, trust at its lowest. Soon after, India hit China with tariffs and bans, while China warned India over supporting Pakistan. The landscape was fraught with conflict and uncertainty. Enter a twist: global economics and U.S. politics. Donald Trump's tariffs on India push both Asian giants closer, forcing a rethink. Suddenly, change is in the air. Both nations realize that new alliances might be necessary in a shifting global market. Prime Minister Modi now lands in China, his first visit in 7 years. Despite decades of rivalry and unresolved disputes, both economies now need each other. The global demand for labor-intensive manufacturing is growing, and India stands ready to fill that gap. As China moves away from cheap manufacturing due to rising wages, global brands like Foxconn and Samsung begin shifting production to India. This could mark a significant change in the economic landscape, paving the way for a new collaboration. Here's the opportunity. China can focus on high-value innovation while India takes on labor-rich manufacturing. This is not mere competition, it's about different strengths complementing each other, creating a powerful partnership. Imagine, designed in China, assembled in India. Technology shared, jobs created, millions lifted. Together, they can tap into an $8 trillion market representing over 1/3 of the world's population and opening doors for immense economic growth. However, the stakes are high. The U.S. remains India's primary trade partner, crucial for IT, pharmaceuticals, and defense. The balance of power in Asia can shift easily. India must tread carefully to protect its interests. History reminds us, alliances with China hold risk too. The ghosts of the 1962 border war and past betrayals linger, making India cautious about fully embracing a partnership with its rival. In conclusion, India's dilemma is timeless. Should it side with the known devil or gamble on the unknown angel? The answer is to play both sides intelligently, building new bridges but ensuring that hope doesn't overshadow caution. As we witness this transformation, will India and China succeed in redefining their relationship? Ready to see the next chapter in Asia's economic saga? Hit subscribe, like, and join the conversation.